on, Temu. I'm rocking with y'all. Rock with me. Hey, y'all. It's your girl, Supportive Mom. And yes, I am back. Y'all, Supportive Mom is getting ready to go on another vacation. I know y'all like to travel with me. Y'all, my birthday is in July. Supportive Mom has turned a big 6-2. I know a lot of people don't tell your birthdays, but I do. Okay, so let's get right into this video. I'm going to show y'all the things that I've thrown in my suitcase. Y'all, I have burned Temu up. I don't know if y'all like Temu or not, but I have ordered from Temu, and I heard so many people say when they order from Temu that they don't get their things. Girl, when I order from Temu, my stuff comes quick like that. I guess they say send it to her so she'll place another order. And my husband say this woman ordered so much stuff, but I must say that I have had success with them. This video is not sponsored by them, but I just love Temu. But anyway, I ordered so much stuff from Temu, and I got all of my packages successfully except for one. I think what happened is one day I heard my husband talking to the mailman. This woman got a package coming here every day. My next package got lost. So I think him and that mailman plotted on me. But y'all get ready for my vacation. And I got two of my favorite things right here. My little hand sanitizer. Y'all, I love this one right here. Because you just snap it on, fill it up. Isn't it not cute? And look at the little button and you just... Y'all see that? Is that not cute? And I love these little towels right here. Y'all probably use these, the magic towels. I get these at Dollar Tree. I throw a lot of these in my bag when I travel, because all you have to do is just wet it and it turns into a towel. And I know y'all remember from last year I had this. I love this backpack. I'm taking it again. Hey, I'm not doing like all y'all little Instagram people. You know, I hear a lot of people say, girl, I wore that on my last vacation, on my last photo. You can click and go on my Instagram right now, and I promise you, you will see me with some of the same outfits on. But I rocked each one of them, bam, each time, okay? As my stuff been coming in, y'all, I just been throwing it in the suitcase. So no, the suitcase is not packed. I want to show y'all everything that I've ordered that's already in my suitcase from last year. Because, baby, Supportive Mom wearing those swimsuits again. I don't know about y'all. I don't know what y'all doing. Now, here we go. I can just show it to y'all, throw it behind me, and we ready. I got my backpack for my excursion. I got this once when I was in Miami. Because when you get ready to go on your excursion, just put everything you need in here, okay? And like I told y'all, it's a girl's birthday. It's my birthday in July. Okay, so I ordered all of this for glow night. This, I have glow headbands, glow ears. Because y'all, what I'm doing is everybody that's going on a cruise with me, they don't know it yet. They wearing this stuff. Glow lights, I found these at Dollar Tree. This is my glow night shirt. This glows in the dark. And I got some glow wristlets in here somewhere also. Check it out. Bye-bye.
Check it out.
Cruising into my 62nd birthday. Woo! And what I did, I ordered Cruise Squad 2025, Making Memories Together. Everything will be tagged in my description box. Oh, and I got this one. Hey, wait a minute, my cherry told me, Mama, you can't wear that t-shirt. Oh, shit, it's my birthday trip. So should I wear this one on my birthday? Comment down below and tell me which one I should wear on my birthday and which one should I wear onto the ship with everyone else while they have on their t-shirt, okay? That says Cruising Squad. And of course, Temu, y'all know that Mr. Lincoln and I, we going to the Dr. Seuss birthday breakfast. Why fit in when you were born to stand out? Cut up, Mr. Lincoln. Oh, here, I did get a new swimming suit. When I tried this one on and sent the picture out to my little niece, she told me like I was going scuba dive. Y'all know Supportive Mom. I believe that you should dress age appropriate, okay? But it's a nice material. It's swimwear material. But I got this one because I learned from my first cruise that if you have on something that you can keep on, then you don't have to keep going back and forth to your room because it looks like a short set. I can walk around. I'm not a 62-year-old woman that's gonna walk around with all myself hanging out. This is too much. Too much to be hanging out around them little young boys. Y'all heard what R. Kelly said, Mama rolling in what he said in the kitchen, got every man in here wishing. Supportive Mom ain't trying to do all of that. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all this, ladies, has the cups made in it. Temu, come on now, collab with me. I guess I need to reach out to them. These are from last year. See, don't be going out buying everything new. Sun visors for the excursions and for when you up on the Lido deck. My most favorite place, because that's where the DJ is. That's just where everything happens on a cruise in the daytime. At night, they be at the little clubs and doing what they do. When I go up on Lido deck, watch a movie, 11 o'clock, I'm in my cabin sleep. And of course, y'all know I did get something to decorate my door with. It says it's my birthday. And of course, y'all, I found the cutest shoes. These are so comfortable on Temu. They have a little net. Y'all see the little air holes in it. Y'all gonna see them on my feet on the ship. Navy blue, go with everything. And then I also found, now y'all know this is too cute. Look at these. Temu. Cause see, let me tell you something about what I do on the ship. I'm a person, I'm not gonna take anything really expensive with me. Let's say for instance, I'm over at the swimming pool. But if these come up missing, I'm not gonna cry. So don't be taking your red bottoms on the ship, laying down, going getting in the pool, trying to, hey, want everybody know you got on red bottoms walking across the Lido gate, it's wet. You done sit up there. Why you got red bottoms on anyway on the ship? Come on now. Hit up Temu and get you some cruise shoes. Now, let me show y'all these cute little outfits I got to wear to dinner, to the dining room. I'm not gonna dress up because we're going this year, the month we're going in is really hot. In the next video, when I wear everything on the cruise, what I do is I tag the size to tell y'all what size I'm wearing to help you all order. Oh, y'all, this is too cute right here. This is a swimsuit cover-up. I got to show y'all this one. Hold on. And you put your left arm in here. See, this is here over this side of the bra. And then you wrap it around like this. And the back is going to be out. And then you have it here, and it comes here. And you put this arm in here, and it's a swimsuit cover-up. Y'all see it? And then the back is out. But you cover it up. Like I said, age appropriate, okay? Don't walk around on the ship looking all, you know, like you 20 or 30. Don't be something, hey, supportive mom, yes I can. No, I just feel like a grandma should be a grandma. That's just me. This one is really perfect for you little girls that like to wear the little spaghetti string swimsuits when you get through tan. Y'all love to get up, walk across the ship. Okay, you in shape, you tight, but have some class. Let me tell you something, keep something a secret. Oh, I thought she was gonna walk across the ship like that. No, don't let him see it. Let him see you laying over there sunbathing. But when you get up to walk, cover up. These are some dresses that I got from Temu. I'm gonna wear these to the dining room. Hey, they charge me for it. I'm going to the dining room every night. I got the red one, I got a nice gold and white one, green one, I got a blue one. This is a little dress I found in Walmart just for something extra. And this is the little Dr. Seuss shirt that I ordered to match Lincoln and I. We're going to Dr. Seuss breakfast. These are just some little white capris. And here's Lincoln's Glow Night t-shirt. Everything that I'm showing you came from Temu. I got the swim shoes, Temu. This little dress, I'll show it to y'all. I had this one from last year, but it's Temu also. My weight scale, Temu. Laundry bag, Dollar Tree. First aid, Temu. And if you go on a cruise, you must have these for your phone. Have your waterproof fanny pack. I bought this fan last year because that was my first cruise, and I watched a lot of people say that the cabins are hot. I'm not sure what type of room they have, but our cabin, the air is fine. But I have this fan, but I just take it with me just in case. Because I say the year that I don't take it, that's when I'll be hot. This little bag here I have, got it from Temu, also a little net bag for the beach. If I decide to do a beach excursion, if it gets wet, or if you have sand. These hooks I bought last year because like I said, it was my first cruise and everybody said the towel gonna be flying away. My towel, no, y'all see, I never opened these because we did not use these from last year. But I'm gonna take them because who knows, this may be the year that I need it. I think the person that I watched that said that maybe was up on like the very top deck, the Serenity deck, because Because now I did notice on that Serenity deck, even if you're holding your cell phone, the currents from the wind are so strong they'll blow your phone out of your hand. So maybe on that deck I would use it. But I would get in that little chair, y'all, and I just go to sleep. I go up there when I'm tired. This is an outfit that I wore last year. I'm rocking it again. I don't care what y'all say. Okay, I'm gonna tie the blouse up different or something. And I'm rocking it again. This is my skirt that I had last year that I wore for the Dr. Seuss breakfast. I'm rocking it again. Every mama and every grandmama on that ship asked me, where did I get this skirt from? Thrift store. That's where I found this one at. I bought this one last year when I was in Cozumel. And I'm taking this for somebody that's going on the ship with us. It's their first cruise. This is from last year. So I'm going to let them use that. So don't be throwing your stuff away or pass it on. And all of this stuff, y'all, is from last year. Motion light, because somebody told the room was dark light. My room wasn't dark. Door stopper, they said people come in your room lie. Nobody came in my room, but I had. But now I did use this on the trunk. Now this is a must have. Surge protector. And I had a cute little small one, so I think I left it in my aunt's house because my last trip was Minnesota. I think I left it in the wall in her bedroom. I need to call her. And it just plugs in, has the cord, and you got different charging stations here, and the USB, and you have one for USB-C. Also, I'm always that person overly prepared when I travel. Tag your suitcase properly, okay? I heard people come and think luggage got lost because you try to be cheap and put paper tags on it. Find a little package, go on Temu, Cruise Essentials, and get the correct little tag. It has the little secure ring here where you can put it on your luggage. Thing one, thing two, I had these on at the birthday breakfast. Y'all know the grandmas and mamas was asking me, where did you get that from? Ha ha! It's going to come prepared. Prepared a multi-charging cable, Temu, extra packing cube, Dollar Tree last year. And all of this is some stuff that I had from last year. Bands, Temu, you know, for seasickness, I have the bands. I have the motion sickness patch, Downy, wrinkle release, kills and prevents bed. But I'm going to take this place that we're going to do our excursion at. I'm not going to tell y'all, but we're going to need this. But everybody know the water is so beautiful blue, there's no bugs. But the place that we chose for our excursion, we know we're going to use it. These just some more towel clips that's in here. The magnet, because the wall is magnetic. Another travel straw, because like I said, the ship does not supply straws. So take your own straw with you. And the last time I went, I did not have enough suntan lotion. And y'all know I have very sensitive skin. I can bump my arm really hard with this tonight. I will have a bruise. I don't know why, and I guess it's my blood type. So I have enough. Anybody out there that's really good with sunscreen, make sure you tell me, do I have the right sunscreen to be going on a cruise in the middle of the summer? But hey, I just want to tell y'all, thank you, y'all. No Supportive Mom. Love you. I hope that you order some of this stuff, okay? Well, I'm going to tag my products. Click on the little link in my description and order the product. If y'all stop being haters, you will be blessed. If the shoe fit, wear it. I'm only talking to those that the shoe fit. Don't be a hater. Don't be talking about, I'm not clicking on her link. I'm going to get the SKU number and I'm going to go order it. Cause yourself not to be blessed. Click on the products that I'm sharing, that I'm going to share, and order the products, okay? Duh. All right? It's not going to hurt you. It's going to bless you. Supportive Mom, just want to say I'm turning 62. Thank you for watching this video. Hugs and kisses to each one of you. And I will talk to you all the next time I'm going on a cruise.